In this video, I'll be showing you how you can make text bounce effect in Davinci Resolve. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Fusion page like so. Then go over to the text plus and click on it. Select the text plus and go over to the inspector tab and write whatever you want. Then from here you can adjust it as much as you want. I'm gonna put the size up so you can see it a little better, like so. Then from here you need to go up to the text box, right click on it and click follower. Then you need to go up to modifier and you need to go down to delay in the timing section and select it to the delayed 2, like so. Then you need to go to shading. Then you need to go 15 frames over right here. Then you need to go over and make a keyframe on the opacity. Then you need to scroll down until you see position and go down to offset and create a keyframe on there. Then this page should be popping up, and don't be confused about that. You simply just need to double click on the follower one, like so. Now you need to go back to frame 0. Then you need to go down to position and offset on the Y post. And then you need to edit the Y to 0.34. And then you need to go up and put the opacity to 0. Like so. And as you can see, that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!